Hey guys, so it was less than a minute, I'm sorry. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing with Colorpop. So I did get, I'm excited, the Bambi collection. Okay, so I got the Bambi collection, and then I also got like two other palettes that I've been wanting to have. So I'll quickly show you those first, and then I'm going to go into the Bambi collection. So of course I've already like opened the box, and this is like the Bambi collection is what you guys would get if you were on their PR list. Let me find the other eyeshadow palette here, you guys. I know I ordered another one. At least I thought I did. I thought I ordered two. Yeah. Oh, yeah, here it is. Alright, you guys. So, I ordered the Star Wars palette. I'm so excited. The Mandalorian, oh man, the child. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to have this for such a long time, and I just never was able to do it, and I finally got to it. So, oh my god, I'm excited. This is what it looks like, and you guys can see my mess. Oh man, it's so pretty. I love eyeshadow palettes. Oh man, you guys. I'm really liking this green right here. I'm gonna try that green. This and this and this. So I'm gonna try on these colors. Ooh, I like that. Oh man. And this is what the shades, some of the shades look like. I'm so excited. Oh, man. So excited. Usually on the weekends, I get to do some of the, like some try-ons, and then other weekends I don't get to, but yeah. Alright, and the next palette is the Colorpop Off Melrose. I thought it was a really pretty like palette. I'm excited. So excited. Alright. Ooh. It's like a neutrally kind of colors, no mirror, which is fine. I don't really care about that. I do, but I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on this shade and this shade. This shade, it looks really cute. And then this shade. I'm just picking like some random shades. So here are the shades that I'm gonna try. Oh, that's a really light color. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, that one too. So it looks like there is some like kickback, but it's okay. So these are the shades that I just swatched. They have so good like formula. I cannot wait. Like the rest of this week I'll probably do like try-ons of stuff, but we'll see on how everything goes. I know that I'm going to do a try-on today of some stuff, and if I have the time, if I can, I'll try to do another try-on, but I don't know. It just depends on how George is, and I mean Tyler too. Alright, so I'm going to move into the products that I got on the Bambi collection. So how do you even open this? do you open this? I got the Morning Light Bambi. This is the Pixie Puff Highlighter. Oh, it's taped. Okay. I'm so excited, you guys. Alright, so here is the puff. People were like putting it all over. So it does have a seal on it right here. I'm not going to open it quite yet because I really do want to open it, but I cannot right now. But yeah, it looks like a really pretty champagne-y color. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's what it looks like. So I'm going to eventually get that tried on, or try that stuff on. Oh, did not realize. Thanks a latte. They're so cheesy. So cheesy. Alright, so I'm opening up the Bambi Twitter painted lips. It comes with 3 glosses. I seen that they had like, ooh, I'm not throwing away the packaging here. So they were like really sheer colors, which I don't mind. It's okay. I mean, that's what glosses are for. This one is called this one has Bambi on it, so I'm assuming this one is Bambi. Yeah, it is like super sheer. You're not going to be able to see it. I mean, you can see the gloss part, but that one is with Bambi on it. This one has Thumper. This one has a little bit more like shimmer to it, but it is right there. And then the next one is Flower. It has like a really sweet like smell. And that's Flower. You guys can barely tell. There's like no color to them, but I don't really care. Ooh, they're definitely sticky though. I can smell it still on my hands. Alright, and then I'm doing the eyeshadows last, as you guys can tell. This is the Cream Gel Pencil Trio. I actually like their eyeliners. They're so good. So I'm kind of glad that I got 3 liners. Now you can use them for your eyeliner, you can use them for your lips, because these 2 right here looks like you can use for your lips, definitely. Alright, let's quickly swatch them. Do some swatchy swatches. This is what it looks like. I think you can like do a retractable. Or would you? No. It broke. Can you twist them? Do I have to sharpen it? This is what this one looks like. I'm kind of sad about this one. It broke. I think this one is Flower. Yeah. can't believe it broke. Do you guys know if it's like, do I have to sharpen it? I'll have to look for my sharpener. I'm kind of sad about that. I don't know what this one is. This one is... This is the second color. Man, that kind of caught me off guard. And here's the third one. They're really creamy. I'll have to figure out if I'm able to like sharpen them or something. Raindrops, Meadow, and Pearly. I don't know which one's which. Man, that's upsetting. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with their make sure there is. Oh, it comes with lashes too. I don't know that. I heard some good things about it and bad things, but this is what it looks like. They're nice and like small. Feels a bit plasticky, but I will be excited to try this. This is called Oh Dear. I wonder if they're gonna fit my eyes. Like Morphe had like they have really pretty lashes, but I have to like cut them just because they're too big on me. Like, don't have that big of eyes. Like, come on. All right, so this one is called Bambi. And look how cute this one is. This one has like more of a, like someone looks like they got some nail in there or something. Someone like nailed my eyeshadow. It's okay. But, I have, this one, I don't know, this just seems like a really fall color, and I'm excited to try it too. But, oh man, so excited. So excited, just can't hide it. Alright, this one is Flower. This is like so exciting. Alright, and then this one is Flower. Has a little mirror. And I love these. I like this color scheme. Ooh, they're like nice and soft. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I cannot wait. You guys have no freaking idea, man. I have so much to do. It's insane. Insane. Alright, and then this one is Thumper. They have like really cute packaging. But the thing is though, like this entire collection, $115. $115. Here is Thumper. This is more of like a spring Easter color. I like this one. This green kind of reminds me of the child color. See? But it's okay. Bambi is a lifelong thing. Alright, you guys, so that is it for Colorpop and the collection on that one. I'm gonna go in and try to unbox something else. You guys will know what it is. If you guys are wanting to know what I just unboxed, I will be shutting this live off and you guys can easily see it, just if you don't mind. #replay, and I will see you guys in just a few seconds. Bye guys.